Everyone, welcome in Django Todo App video tutorial series. In this video tutorials series, we'll learn Django by developing a to-do app. So Django is a very powerful Python framework. Now these days, if we discuss which applications or site is built in Django, we have a lot of examples, some of them like YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Mozilla Firefox, Bitbucket, and Dropbox. So there is a lot of big applications or network they are using Django. It's a very famous and powerful Python framework. And in this tutorial series, we'll see the complete procedure of our CRUD operation in our Django framework, and we will build our to-do app. Here I already design only the HTML, this template, but I didn't write any line of code. I just copy from Bootstrap. If you want to get all these like designs, I will show you later in this video course, but no need to type any line of code for this to do design. Just go to bootstrap.com. If you have knowledge about HTML, CSS, or Bootstrap, it's very easy to you just copy from there and make HTML file, just paste here. Like I copy this nav from bootstrap.com and paste here. Just I change the names, that's it. So it will be our front end view, you can set, of our to-do application. And here we have home. When I click here, the home page is this one, and here we can see our to-do list, and we can make it edit, delete, and we can add from here. And when we click here add, the next page will come, which I will design live in front of you. Using that technique, you can easily make or generate any page by just copy from Bootstrap. It's save you a lot of time. So it's a intro video, and in next video tutorial we'll install Django framework in our machine and we'll run it.